This breathtaking French Chateau-style mansion is located just off East Valley Road in Montecito, overlooking the lush fairways of Montecito's Birnam Wood Country Club out to glistening Pacific Ocean vistas. This opulent 2-acre, 5-bedroom, 10-bathroom estate was inspired by the Versailles Palace. Boasts remarkable beauty at every turn and has been ideally designed for those who prefer the utmost in gracious and fashionable entertaining. The home offers a truly luxurious lifestyle. The grand salon's 18-foot ceilings, ornate decorative moldings, and museum-quality gallery walls combine to create an extravagant lounge or ballroom for lavish soirees. Dramatic drapery frames French doors along the southerly wall, opening to an ocean view, the Grand Lawn, and rose gardens. Stepping through an awe-inspiring gilded archway, the formal dining room is a regal space, poised for the most elegant dinner parties. The full-service chef's kitchen includes every possible amenity required for a grand banquet, with each surface of the expansive kitchen dedicated to creating an elaborate first-class spread. An intimate breakfast room, staff suite, laundry facilities, and walk-in silver vault complete this area of the house. The master bedroom is a regal space with a stunning chandelier and romantic details throughout. Two ensuite baths maintain privacy, each connecting to dedicated walk-in closets and a private elevator accessing two auxiliary closets on the lower level. With full-service bar and 3 private elevators leading to a wine cellar, guest suite, library, 2 lower-level master closets, and an underground tunnel and safety room, the home has been upgraded to provide as much quiet and privacy for its owners. Other attributes include a massive pool, a large outdoor barbecue area, a putting green, patented rose gardens, flowing fountains, and views of the Pacific Ocean. Situated in the Golden Quadrangle and just a couple minutes from Montecito's Upper Village. The home is presented by real estate agent Sina Omidi from Berkshire Hathaway Luxury Collection.